Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to all to our project. I am Ayush and Nimesh Bhuyan along with my co-members
I Nehal Gaba.
And I, Chitraksh Kapil.
from Poda International School, CBSE Nehru, are going to show a project on how to protect satellite in space from debris. Our challenge theme for the ATL Space Challenge 2021 is Read Space and the subtopic is Artificial Intelligence or Machine Learning. So let's start. What is debris? Space junk or space debris is any piece of machinery or debris left by humans in space. It can refer to big objects such as dead satellites that have failed or been left in orbit at the end of their mission. It can also refer to smaller things like bits of debris or paint flecks that have been fallen from a rocket. Here are the different types of debris like discarded rocket stages, non-operational satellites, fragments between 1 to 10 centimeter or larger than 10 centimeter, etc.
How is space debris a problem? A number of space shuttle windows have been replaced because of damage caused by paint flecks. The density of the junk may become so great that it could hinder our ability to use weather satellites and hence to monitor weather changes. As more and more debris clutter space, Earth's low orbit in which the International Space Station rotates turns into a packed highway at rush hour. These smaller pieces form when satellites naturally weather under extreme ultraviolet radiation, when larger pieces of space debris collide, or when satellites are intentionally.
These are the materials that we will be using to make our project. Now let us show you clearly. This is the debris or the space junk, and this is a broken satellite that will be used as a space junk. This is the adapter connector. This is a satellite which helps to capture the debris, and this is a satellite that will be helping us to demonstrate how to protect the satellite from debris. There are two different satellites demonstrating two different things. One showing how to protect satellite from debris and one showing how to capture debris from space. And this is the slider which will help us to slide with the debris. And here is another adapter to connect it with the second satellite. Let's start. So here I am going to show the mechanism and working of our model about the protection of satellite from space debris and how to clean space junk from space. So here you can see the satellite present towards this area is the satellite which will be demonstrating how to protect satellite from debris, and the satellite present over here will be showing how to clean the space junk from the space using different mechanisms. So let's start. Over here the Earth will be moving around its axis just like this. So this is the normal way that Earth moves towards it around its axis, and here is the satellite. Over here it is the proximity sensor. This is the circuit board. This is the air mesh which will be helping to protect from satellite, and this is the servo meters. These are the signal boards, etc. So let's start showing it. A debris is present over here, and now first of all I will be attaching the adapter towards it. So here I have attached the adapter, and now whenever a debris will be near the satellite, you can see there is a burst sound as well as the debris as well as the air mesh is open. So it will be open until and unless the debris is there. So whenever it go inside, it will have a repulsive force and then it will be coming back. So what is the mechanism behind this thing? It is known as the anti-collision mechanism, and this anti-collision mechanism is nowadays used in cars and vehicles as well. So I have used that to protect satellites as well. So as you can see, whenever the debris goes near it, the air mesh opens and protects the satellite with all cost, and then whenever the debris goes inside after rebounding, it will have a repulsive force and a strong charge, and it will be moving with the opposite direction from which it got repulsed. So basically, as we know that there is only vacuum all around the space. So So whatever speed or whatever velocity it will be repulsed, it will be moving with the same speed and towards the same direction throughout the time. So it will be moved outer space, and hence the satellite will also be saved from this. So this was the showing of how to protect satellite from debris. Now here we came to know about how to protect the satellite from space. So once the satellite is protected, it's not the end. Do you know why? These debris that are still moving around the space can hinder a lot of things. It can be dangerous as it hinders the radio signals, hinders the weather signals, as well as it hinders the network connection, due to which it can be very dangerous for life on the earth. Moreover, whenever a company sends a new satellite towards the earth, towards the orbit, then if they won't be having this mechanism, then this debris can damage those satellites, and that company will be at a great loss. So in order to reduce that things in future generation, we need to clean that debris as well. So to show that, I have made this second satellite where I am showing how to clean the space junk from the space. So as you can see, a satellite is present over here as well. This satellite is going to demonstrate of how to clean space junk from the space. Now let me show you. Here is the circuit board. Here are the signal takers. Here are the solar panels. Here is the big magnet, electromagnet. This is the servo motors, and this is the umbrella capturer. So it is attached here with the help of an electromagnetic mechanism. So as you can see, it has now attracted towards the electromagnet. So here is the remote. As I said, we can control this satellite even from the ground. So here I have used infrared signals in order to control with this satellite. So using this remote, there are 4 buttons which are main buttons. These are the up, side, down, and up, side, this side, and down button. Now let me show you. Whenever I click this up button, as you can see, the air mesh gets opened, and now when I close it, it gets closed, and then when I click this button, it falls down. Now let me show you one by one how it happens. So basically, this is a space junk present, or a debris. It is a broken satellite. So how this will be used to capture this satellite? Let me show you. So I click this button and it opens it. So whenever this comes inside and I click this down button, it captures it. So as you can see, now it is captured, and then when the satellite goes inside the Earth's orbit, then I'll click this button and then it will be left inside the Earth's atmosphere towards the seas, and due to the help of gravity, it will be moving towards the oceans and seas. And moreover, if it won't be moving towards the seas, then it would be sent into the interspace or outer space, due to which it won't be hindering again the satellite's movements. So this was about the protection of satellite from debris, and this was about the cleaning the space junk. So basically over here, a microcontroller unit is present in this circuit. So this microcontroller unit acts as a mini computer on this circuit board. So this has many type of mechanisms such as RAM, ROM, and NOR flash, which helps to give commands and which helps to give different types of mechanism commands for this satellite, for this circuit board, and for this capturer. And moreover, here I've used crystals as well, which are the oscillatory crystals. So these are also controlled by this microcontroller units. So through this through microcontroller unit, we give a particular set of instructions to this oscillator, so that it would give a particular amount of keys to be revolved. So this was all about my project, and these are the satellites through which I will be demonstrating how to protect satellite and how to clean space junk. Thank you.